Okay, in this lesson today we will review one type of syllable and we will be learning another kind of syllable. Recently we have learned about the vowel consonant E syllable. I have a couple of examples here of vowel consonant E syllables. The first one being a one-syllable word. The word is spoke. So I'm going to grab something to write with here and we will mark the word spoke. Since it's one syllable, it will have one scoop. I recognize the long vowel sound, so I give it a macron. And then of course the E at the end is not making any sound, so we cross that out to show that it's silent. I also see a blend with these two consonants here. And I'm going to go ahead and mark this as a vowel consonant E, or with a V-E. Okay? Vowel consonant E syllable. Below that is another example of a word that has a vowel consonant E syllable. However, this is a two-syllable word. If you clap the word cupcake, cupcake, you hear that it's two syllables. I also recognize that this is a compound word. When I know that it's a compound word, that makes it easier for me to divide it up into its syllables, because I know that each syllable is just the little words that are inside cup and cake. Looking at the first syllable, I hear a short vowel, so I can recognize that that is a closed syllable. The second syllable, cake, looks to me like a vowel consonant E syllable. In fact, I do hear a long vowel sound, A, cake, with a silent E at the end. That makes this a vowel consonant E syllable. So again, multisyllabic words can sometimes have vowel consonant E syllables in them. It could be one, it could be both, but just listen carefully for the long and the short vowel sounds. Okay. Now we will learn today about something else besides just a vowel consonant E syllable. Just like with the closed syllable, sometimes there's an exception to the rule. So there is such a thing also as a vowel consonant E exception, something that does not follow the rule. If you look at this first word, I'm pretty sure you know what this is. The word is give. It is not give. In this word, we have a vowel and then a consonant and then an E, but the vowel is making a short sound. It's saying I. So since it's a one-syllable word, I'm going to scoop that one time. Give. There still is a silent E at the end. However, this is a vowel consonant E exception. So we're going to go ahead and cross that out because this vowel is not making the long vowel sound. It's an exception to the rule. It is not following the usual rule. Same thing goes with the next word. This is a two-syllable word. The word is olive. This is not a long vowel sound. It's saying iv again. So when I mark this, I'm going to mark al, iv, and this one to me looks like a closed syllable. The first syllable is closed, and the second syllable looks like a vowel consonant E, but the I is making a short sound, iv. So I know that it's not just a vowel consonant E syllable, it's a vowel consonant E exception. It's not following the rule of long vowel sound. So I have to listen carefully. Just because I see an E at the end doesn't always mean that the vowel sounds long. I must pay attention and see what I'm hearing. Listen to what I'm hearing. Here's one more example of a two-syllable vowel consonant E exception. Forgive is a two-syllable word. And again, we have if. That's a short sound with a silent E. This is a vowel consonant E exception. Now this looks like a closed syllable because I do see a vowel followed by one or more consonants. Okay? Later on, I think we'll learn that this is another kind since it has an OR. But for right now, we're focusing on the vowel consonant E. Oops, forgot to cross it out. That's an exception. It's not following the rule. Next, I have a tricky one for you, and I want you to look carefully. I want you to read this word. It could go either way. This word could be read live, but it could also say live. So this word is tricky because it depends on how you say it as the difference of how we mark it. If you say live, there's a short sound, and that's a vowel consonant E exception. Live. However, if you said live, then it would be a vowel consonant E. So I just want you to pay attention here. This word could go either way. You must listen carefully. Let's take a look now at all of the syllables you have learned so far. You have learned about closed syllables. It's a syllable that has a vowel followed by one or more consonants. You have learned about closed syllable exceptions. Those also have a vowel followed by one or more consonants. However, their vowel is making a long sound. A closed syllable has a short sound. We've also learned about vowel consonant E syllables. The word like is a vowel consonant E syllable. It has a long vowel sound. Today we've added on the vowel consonant E syllable exception. And our example would be the word give. It looks like a vowel consonant E because it has that silent E at the end, but it has a short sound. That makes it an exception. Well, you've been learning a lot about syllables. I hope this review helps, and I'm glad that you have learned another syllable today. That's 4 in all. Great work today with your Fundations, writing and marking words, and we'll see you next time.